Hello members, I am Ramakrishna Reddy Palagiri, admin of your group, and this is my sixth video. This video is about some important saturated fatty acids. In this video, I briefly explain some important saturated fatty acids of oils. Okay, please go through some important saturated fatty acids. We learn about some fatty acids in this video. Okay, so what are those some important fatty acids that we go and see? This first one is butyric acid. It contains only 4 carbons, and you can see here the CH3, CH2, 5 COOH. This is the butyric acid with 4 carbons. This is the first unsaturated saturated fatty acid, and its molecular weight is 88.11 grams per mole. Next, second, caproic acid. It contains 6 carbons, and its molecular weight is 116.16. And third one is caprylic acid. It contains 8 carbons, and its molecular weight is 144.21. And next, fourth one is capric acid. It contains 10 carbons, and its molecular weight is 172.26. Fifth one is lauric acid. It contains 12 carbons, and its molecular weight is 200.31. Next, sixth one is myristic acid. It contains 14 carbons, and its molecular weight is 228.37. Next, seventh one is palmitic acid. It contains 16 carbons, and its molecular weight is 256.42. Next, eighth one is stearic acid. It contains 18 carbons, and its molecular weight is 284.47. Next, arachidic acid. It contains 20 carbons, and its molecular weight is 312.52. Next, ninth one is arachidic acid. It contains 20 carbons, and its molecular weight is 312.52. Next, beharic acid. It contains 22 carbons, and its molecular weight is 340.57. Next, 11th saturated fatty acids, lignoceric acid. It contains 24 carbons, and its molecular weight is 368.62. Next, 12th saturated fatty acid, cerotic acid. It contains 26 carbons, and its molecular weight is 396.67. You can see here the carbon number difference between subsequent saturated fatty acid is 2. Here you can see butyric acid is 4, caproic acid is 6. Again, caproic acid and caprylic acid difference between is 6 and 8, 2. Capric and caprylic 8, 10. Capric and lauric acid difference is 2 carbons. Lauric acid and myristic acid carbon difference is 2. So this difference is even number. That is why most of the fatty acids contain even number of the carbons. Even means same equal number. And here also you can see, here this butyric acid contains 4 carbons. Next one, caproic acid contains 6 carbons. Here you can see the CH3 common at the one end. This is methyl group or omega carbon, and this at the last of the starting of the carbon chain, that is carboxyl group COOH. In between the CH2 groups also in a even number, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, like that one. So now these are the some important saturated fatty acids present in most vegetable oils. In this one, the above 4 fatty acids, saturated fatty acids, butyric acid, caproic acid, caprylic acid, and capric acid. These are mainly in large quantity available in animal fats. Especially we know butyric acid contains present in butter, and also milk fats and animal fats are this. This caproic acid also present this caproic, caproic also goat milk and other animal fats also like this. The caloric acid and myristic acid in coconut oil we can find them in more quantity, and this palmitic acid, myristic acid we can find in palm oil, and the stearic acid is present in most of the vegetable oil starting from 5 to 50%. When it comes to cocoa butter, the stearic acid content is above 50%. The arachidic and behenic and lignoceric acids will be present in some oils, but at the lesser quantity, 2%, 3% like that. Okay, this is the list of some important saturated fatty acids.